All right, today I wanted to talk about finding the volume of something like this, a Frisbee. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to rely on the fact that a lot of containers have volumes on them, especially containers of water. And so you can see here that this is 1 liter. So that means this is 1,000 milliliters. Strangely enough, this one also is a liter. And you can see that here. Even though they look to be different volumes, they're not. They're the same volume of water. So we got 2 liters of water here. This one I picked out especially because it's exactly 500 milliliters. It's 16.9 fluid ounces, but really it's meant to be half a liter or 500 milliliters. Then, you know, your usual things. This one's a little bit of an odd duck because it's in 20 fluid ounces, right? That's the goal of that one. And that's 500, almost 600 milliliters, a little shy of that. And then you have these variety of things, right? A 12 fluid ounce can of soda is 355 milliliters, so that can be used. And then these smaller ones, this little cranberry juice can is 163 milliliters. Notice things like this are not measured in volume, even though they're in ounces. That's a weight of ounces, not a fluid ounce, and this is 553 grams. We're going to talk about why this is sold by volume, sold by mass as opposed to volume. So now the question is to predict how much water can fit in this. Okay, so we'll pause this and you can make your prediction based on what you've seen so far. And then I'm going to start pouring some water in here and see if we can figure it out. Okay, how many milliliters of water do you think can fit in this? All right, let's get going. Remember, this is 1,000 milliliters of water, 1 liter. So do you think this will fit? The full amount? Let's see. Look at that. 1 full liter. So there's 1,000 milliliters that fits in here. Let's see if, let's see how much of this. This is 1 liter here, right up to this part. So how much of this do you think will fit? Do you think we can get another one in? Let's see. I don't want to spill it. Now, we can make an estimate here based on how much water is left in this. I feel like we used a little bit, that looks like 600 milliliters to me, 550 milliliters maybe, and we used about 400 milliliters. So this looks to me to contain about 1,400 milliliters of water, and that's about as far as I'll go. I'll take it down and so you can see how full it is. So it's about as far as I want to go. I suppose I could put a little more in there. It's actually kind of fun to try to fill a container of water as far as you can, because you can actually fill a container above its lip. Though you will want to do it somewhere if it spills, you don't mind. So look at that. I think that's almost 1,500 milliliters of water that fit in that, in the top of that, this Frisbee here. So again, don't forget to look around your house for containers. You can use these for measuring various things, and they're pretty handy to have around for this little bit of a unit. Thanks for watching.